Hi everyone, I am Fernando and I love exploring Spain on two wheels. Welcome to Brompton Microadventures, my brand new channel. With my Brompton folding bike, I'll explore stunning landscape, charming villages and hidden corners of Spain. Along the way, I'll share my experiences, thoughts and the joy of the ride. If you love adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe. For the next 3 days, I will be riding my Brompton through Andalusia, following Via Verde del Aceite route from Jaén to Puente Genil. This route is surrounded by olive trees, quiet roads and beautiful countryside views. I share my experience along the way, enjoying the scenery, facing some challenges and having fun on my bike. It's a great route for a Brompton trip and I can't wait to take you along. Let's get started. Finally, I'm on the way. I just wake up this morning around 7 o'clock in the morning and I started this, preparing everything. I had a very good breakfast near the train station where I was sleeping. This amazing olive tree forest that is here in Jaén, Andalusia. It's full of olive trees. For the moment, I've just started. I am here, close to Jaén. I'm already can see that there are people working in the olive trees, removing the olives. This is why you hear this noise. I think it's gonna be a quite interesting route. This is very well marked. It's not technically difficult at all. It is a little bit difficult for me. It's just the time of the year. That is, it's now winter. And today here in the south, this is why I choose this route. Actually, this is amazing weather. The moment. That is amazing weather, very sunny. I think it's gonna stay like this for the whole weekend. The 3 days I'm gonna be doing this route. Enjoy the sun of Andalusia. This is so beautiful. Yeah, it is funny. Now it seems I'm in an area more quiet. There is some truck like this one. They are collecting olives. But I think because it's Saturday afternoon already, people are going home. So I don't expect to find many people from now in the next hours. It's so pleasant to ride here. Now I'm a little bit downhill. I was thinking to stop a little bit before, but there is a chimney making a lot of smoke, probably from burning olives to make the olive oil that so much we love. Yeah, it's amazing, this place. I mean, you're kilometers and kilometers surrounded by these olive trees. It's like never ending. It's like the whole province is full of these trees. It seems now December and January, during Christmas, is when they are collecting the olives from the trees. They are using a very funny machines that they shake the trees. Not the whole tree, but they shake the branches, and then they put a net under the tree, and then they collect the olives. They collect the olives. It's funny because the net they're using seems similar to a fishing net, so it reminds me a little bit to fishing olives instead of fish. Much better. Some of these trees, they are very, very, very old. Like some of them, because of the size, and I think in this area I can see older trees, like more. The branches are bigger. The trunk is broken, sometimes in different parts. And because of the size, I think they are like maybe 300, 400 years old. These trees are very, very, very old. I'm surrounded by these amazing trees that they are maybe 300 or 400 years old, maybe even more, because I remember in Mallorca, it was olive trees that they were like from the Arabs, like around 700 years old or maybe 800 years old, and they are still producing these olives. It's amazing. And at the moment the route is so pleasant. It's just going down, very smooth, going downhill, and I find people here and there, not many. Yeah, looking forward to find a place to have a good lunch. I think in maybe a couple of kilometers. Yeah, thinking about the afternoon already. Yeah, I have to stop here because I crossed this amazing bridge that has been in the middle of the route. I had been crossing a few bridges, but this is by far the longest one. And this is the plate that is marking who designed the bridge. Apparently the bridge is from 1819, so 200 years old. Quite a lot of time. Happy that still can support me with my bike. This place is amazing. As I continue the route, I ride through endless fields and rolling hills covered with olive trees, enjoy the peaceful landscapes and the adventure ahead. The quiet roads and fresh air make the ride even more special as I take in the beauty of Andalusia at my own pace. I have been riding already for 50 kilometers. I'm trying to find the end of the day. This is my last bridge. There is a really nice area, I think, in about 2 kilometers where I want to stop. It's near a river. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna try to go here. Oops, yeah. Yeah, a little bit tricky here. So it's 52.5 kilometers from Jaén. Almost there. It's around 4 o'clock, a little bit earlier, 4 o'clock. Tonight is gonna be the longest night during the whole year. The longest night of the year. It's gonna be tonight. So, what is the best place to spend this night if it's not in a place like this? So, yeah, 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometers to reach to my destination for today. I'm gonna stop. I think it's a very good time because the sun is still up quite high. So I still have 1 hour sun. So I'm gonna do some painting, some sketching. Hopefully I can find a good tree or something to paint. Yeah, there's a beautiful landscape, full of hills, full of mountains in the far distance. As you see, I'm not pedaling too much now because I'm going downhill because there is a big river coming. And then after, but this will be tomorrow, I will start to climb early in the morning. So I hope I can sleep well tonight, so I can have a good rest, and tomorrow see how everything is going. It has been a great day so far. Very sunny, very bright, warm to be in winter. Yeah, really nice. This is one of the best moments of the day. Why, at the end of the day, I have a moment to relax and make a quick sketch. I don't have much time, but I'll try to capture the landscape and the feelings I have during the day. So when I'm doing something like this, I try to capture like a kind of memories. So this notebook is all about biking and sketching, being in places where I have a little time to reflect on the trip I'm doing, and And then after, when I look at it after months, even years, I recall this place, and I have really good memories. So I'm trying to do the same here. I'm gonna see if I can paint this little, it's little because it's small, olive trees. So I'm gonna just maybe very quickly do some, the trunk, big trunk. Big trunk here. And I'm gonna capture just the shape of the leaves. As you see, it's also a way to understand better what you see with your eyes. It's like you get more connected to whatever you're looking at. So I'm gonna simplify the landscape because it's so complex. It's full of, I will show you later, but it's full of trees, full of hills, and here there is another tree. This olive tree has a funny shape, right? It's a little bit like white and not very high. So that is important to put in the painting. And also I noticed also the trunks are like the letter V, always like with this shape. So this is funny, more or less. Sometimes it's more obvious, sometimes less. It's also depend on the perspective that you're looking. So more or less, I don't want to make a big story of the trees, but I want to capture the place where I am. The scene, I'm gonna put maybe some colors here, because definitely this is such a variety of colors that you can see in the in the ground and everywhere. I just crossed the bridge. I'm in the other side. This is such a beautiful place. You can see the bridge, the river, how the vegetation is completely different in the river. I found some hunters. I don't like hunters at all. Yeah, I found these hunters. They came with a car. Seems like a father and son came with the guns. So I wasn't very happy to see, and I was surprised that they came with a car. So I'm thinking I'm gonna carry on a little bit more, maybe a few kilometers more if I get far away from them. I'm in la provincia de Córdoba at the moment. La Laguna del Salubral is 3.7 kilometers. So I think I might try to see if I can find a place there. Estación de Luque is around 10 kilometers. Yeah, let's carry on. I have my bike in a beautiful place, very old like sun ruins from the probably train station. It is very sad to see that, because that would be a wonderful place to have a place to stay, like with beds, like kind of, I don't know, maybe a small cottage or some cafe here, but it's nothing, it's just all broken. So yeah, let's carry on. Still some light, so let's carry on. As the longest night of the year approaches, I pause to take in the sunset behind the hills. The golden light stretches over the endless olive trees, creating a peaceful and beautiful scene, one of those moments that make the journey special. As night falls, I set up my tent, prepare a simple dinner, and brace myself for the freezing cold ahead. The air is cold and everything around me is silent. Under the open sky, with just my Brompton and the stars above, I settle in for the night, another part of the adventure. Good night, and thanks for watching.